Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And today we are learning ayah number 102 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واتبعوا ما تتلو الشياطين على ملك سليمان وما كفر سليمان ولكن الشياطين كفروا يعلمون الناس السحر وما أنزل على الملكين ببابل هاروت وماروت واتبعوا. We are attaching this wow with ta and wow. You have to circle your lips and don't use your teeth to touch lower lip. It's a wrong way to say wow. Wow has to be pronounced from your lips only, and lips will be circled to pronounce wow. And for fatha, you are opening your jaws. What and joining wow with ta very clearly, and don't give humps here. What the for fatha, for of ta, open your jaws. What the ba is as short as ta. So these two vowels are short. Ru, 2 counts long. This is 2 count long. Why? Because it is a mud letter. Alif, and you find fatha before it. This is the first long vowel, and it has to be 2 counts long. Wow. And there is dhamma before it, and it is 2 counts long too. And ya, this is the second vowel. Second vowel. Okay, you can say it's 2 haraka long, 2 haraka long, 2 haraka long, and ya. And third vowel is ya, and you find kasra before it. So look, there is waw, and you find dhamma before it, and it is 2 haraka long. وَاتَّبَعُوا ma 2 counts long. Why? Because this is part of mad letter. Alif قبلها مفتوح. Alif, when you find fatha before it, you make it 2 haraka long. Ma tatlu shayatin. Why this lu is not long? Because when you attach this lam with sheen, then this waw will be dropped. So now it will not be touch lu shayatin. It will not be any more long. It is becoming short because we are attaching this lam with dhamma with sheen. That lusha is short, and for fatha open your jaws. Ya 2 counts long, and ya is a very soft letter. There shouldn't be any j sound. Shaya, ya, very soft sound. Shaya, three. Three is 2 counts long. Why? Because this is part of mud letter. Ya, and you find kasra before it. Look, there is ya, and there is kasra before it. So we are making it 2 haraka long. Shayatinu. And for dhamma, circle your lips. A, ain short, and from your throat, la, 2 counts long, because it's just like mad letter. Alif, qablaha maftuh. Look, this is a small alif, and before that you find fatha. Ala, mul, mim, there is dhamma on mim. You are circling your lips. And for lam, you're giving tawassut. Mulki, for kasra, every kasra, you give e sound. Mulki, su, circle your lips well. Lay, 2 counts long, because this is harf leen, and harf leen is also 2 counts long. Sulayman. When you give temporary sukoon to any letter and you find mud letter before it, you are stretching it more than 2. It can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 6. Sulaiman. Wa short. Ma 2 counts long. Wa ma ka fa ra. All three should have same length. No, and nothing should be longer than any other. Kafara. Su. Circle your lips. Well, lay 2 counts long. Sulay. Ma 2 counts long. Why? Because this small alif is equivalent to the big alif. So for alif and you find fatha before it, you are making it 2 counts long. Ma, sulay, manu, and circle your lips well. Sulay, lay, ma. Look, the length is same. Su is short. Lay, ma, nu. Nu is short. Wa short. La 2 counts long. Kin. Whenever you find noon with tashdid, you are giving it 2 haraka long gunna. Yes, and tajweed, we don't say that, but I want you to stay more over here because this gunna is the longest gunna. It's a kamil gunna. So give longer time. ولكن and then this noon is attached with sheen. She for fatha, give short and short sound, but open your jaws well. Yeah, 2 counts long. Why? Because there is alif. You count this standing fatha as a full alif, and before alif you find fatha, so it is 2 counts long. Three by 3 is long because it is part of mud letter. When you find ya and before ya you find kasra, you make it 2 haraka long. And ta is heavy letter. Khussa daqtin qiz, khussa, khussa, kha, sad, khussa, tin, sorry, tin, tin, qiz. These are 7 letters which are always heavy. It doesn't need any condition to make it heavy. Whenever you find them, you make them heavy. Kha, sad, dad, ghain, ta, qaf, dha. No, it's dha here. Sad, ta, tin. Okay, no, tin, qiz. Sorry, remove this. Sorry. Qussa, dha, tin, qiz. So these are the 7 letters which you always make heavy. So ta is heavier here, and you are making it 2 haraka long and making it heavy. Tlina, na is short, ka is light and short, ka, fa, both are short, ka, fa, ru. Ru is 2 haraka long and ra is heavy because it has dhamma. Whenever ra has dhamma or fatha at the top, it will be heavy. Ru. So I'm saying ru. I'm not saying ru. Saying ru is light. Kafaru nahi kehna. Don't say kafaru. It's kafaru. You. For dhamma, circle your lips. Al, ain from your throat very clearly. You al, or for lam, you are attaching ain to lam, and for kasra, you are giving e sound. You ali, mu 2 counts long. Why? Because wow, before wow, you find dhamma, you make it 2 haraka long. Mu, nan, this noon is attached with noon, and you find as soon as you find noon with tashdid, you are giving it 2 haraka gunna, longer gunna, kamil gunna. This is a complete gunna. Nan, nasas, and then this scene is attached with scene, sasih, and then scene has kasra, give e sound. This e sound. Every kasra has this e sound. C, sis, oh, sorry. sihr. And for ra, you're making it heavy. Why? Because whenever you find fatha or dhamma at the top of ra, you make ra heavy. Ra, sihr. How to say a heavy ra with the fatha? You say raw material. Yeah, same as, like raw. Sihr wama. Make it 4 haraka long. Zila. For dhamma, circle your lips, and ikhfa, you're hiding noon and going towards the makhraj of za. Zila. Z is short and giving e sound for kasra. La is short. Z, la, a, ain short, and but from your throat, a, lal, lam is attached with lam, and you are giving tawassut on the lam which has sukoon. Alal, ma is short. La, kaini, malakai. Kai is 2 haraka long because this is mad harf lean. Kaini, ni is short, b short, ba, and for kasra give e sound, ni, b. B, ba, 2 counts long. Why? Because it's alif, and before alif you find fatha, and you are simply making it 2 haraka long. B short, la short, and for kasra give e sound. It's not beba, bela. No, it's not bela. It's b la, b. Again kasra, b ba, b la, ha 2 counts long. Ra is heavy. Why? Because whenever you find dhamma or fatha on ra, you're making it heavy. And secondly, it is 2 haraka long. Why? Because wow, before wow, you find dhamma, you are making it 2 haraka long. Ta, ta is short, wa short, ma 2 counts long, because you are considering this standing fatha as complete alif. And before alif, you find fatha, so you are making it 2 haraka long too. Wama as soon as you find mud letter before temporary sukoon, you are giving temporary sukoon here because of waqf. You are giving waqf. You are stopping your ayah here. Here, so you are giving it temporary sukoon. So whenever you are giving temporary sukoon and you find mud letter before it, these are the 3 mud letters. Whenever you find mud letter before it, you'll make it, you can make it 2 haraka, 4 haraka, and 6 haraka long, but we are making it 4 haraka long here always. So wa marut, wa for fatha, open your jaws and circle your lips to pronounce wow. Don't use your teeth. Wa ma 2 haraka long. You for dhamma, circle your lips. يعلمان أحد وما يعلمان من أحد حتى يقولا إنما نحن فتنة فلا تكفر. وما 2 haraka long. You for ya, circle your lips. Ali, ain from your throat, and attach ain with lam because there is tashdid. And for kasra, give e sound. You ali ma 2 counts long. Ni is short. Clearly make 2 haraka long letter different from the short vowel. So ma is 2 counts long, and ni just touch and go. Mani, min, a from your throat, ha from your throat, ha, din, hatta, ta 2 counts long. Why? Because you're considering this standing fatha as a full alif. Hatta, ya Yeah, it's very soft letter. And for fatha, open your jaws. Qu, qaf is heavy, and we are making it 2 haraka long. Why? Because wow, and we are finding dhamma before it. So we are making it 2 haraka long. Yeah, qu, la, la is 4 haraka long. In, hamza is from your throat, very clear sound. It shouldn't go very soft. It's a very strong letter. In, and you are giving gunna. What is gunna? Gunna is holding a sound of noon in your nose. In, this should be complete gunna, and it will take longer. So we can say roughly 2 haraka long. Inna, na is short, ma 2 counts long. Nahnu, for fatha, open your jaws, and for ha, give a sound from your throat. Nahnu, circle your lips for dhamma. Fit, for kasra, give e sound. On ta, give hums. Fit, na is short. Tung, ikhfa. For ikhfa, you are hiding the sound of noon, which is here, hidden here, and you're going towards the makhraj of fa. Tung, fa, short. La, 2 counts long. Tek, for fatha, open your jaws, and for kaf, you're giving hums. The abbreviation of hums is capital H and A-M. Takfur. For fatha and for dhamma, circle your lips, and for ra, give tawassut because there is sukoon. Whenever you find lin amar with sukoon, you're giving it tawassut. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.